Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Arkray RPR Test Kits, Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, you can see the top view of the box. Over here you can find the brand name Arkray, and this is the front view. Here also you can find the brand name Arkray and product name RPR, Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits. And in this pack you can find the reference number 54FL20010. And over here you can find what are the content present inside this pack. It comes up with an reagent 1 RPR antigen suspension. The pack size is 1 into 10 ml, and reagent 2 positive control serum 1 into 0.2 ml, and reagent 3 is negative control serum 1 into 0.2 ml. Yeah, the overall kit size is 10 ml, and over here you can find this is a C certified IVD product, and this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, along with this we also get this pack. Yeah, here also you can see the brand name Arkray and product name Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits, and it also comes up with the same reference number 54FL20010. And over here you can have additional accessories like disposable plastic cards, disposable plastic dropper, disposable applicator stick, rubber test, and antigen delivery droppers. These are the accessories, additional accessories coming with this kit, and this product can be maintained in 4 to 40 degrees Celsius. This is also IVD C certified IVD product. The shelf life of the product is 18 months. Yeah, now I am just going to unpack this both test pack for your reference. Over here you can see, yeah, this is a temperature control product, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature. I am just going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, at the top you can find the instruction manual for RPR test kit. Yeah, it comes up with an reference number 54FL20050. It has the information of how to use the product. It comes up with an introduction and principle and kit content, what are the kit content and storage related. All the information were present in this instruction manual. Yeah, I'm just going to place this aside. After that, we can see this is Arkray RPR Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits, antigen suspension 10 ml. You can see the reference number 54FL20010, and shelf life is 18 months, and this product should be stored in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Yes, I'm just going to place this aside. After that, you can see this is Arkray Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits, positive control serum R2 reagent 2. This is of 0.25 ml. Yeah, you can see the manufacturing details and temperature controls over here. I'm just going to place this aside. Yeah, after that, this is Arkray Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits reagent 3 negative control. This is also 0.25 ml. I'm just going to place this aside. And now I'm just going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, over here you can see disposable plastic dropper. You can see the dropper, which is sterilely packed, and this is rubber tent. Yeah, using this you can able to transfer the sample. You can see this is the plastic card, disposable plastic card for mixing sample and antigen. After that, you can see this is disposable plastic applicator stick. This is used to, this is the antigen delivery dropper. To summarize it, Arkray Rapid Plasma Reagin Test Kits consist of one instruction manual, one antigen suspension, one positive control and negative control, each 0.25 ml, and this is disposable plastic cart to apply sample and reagent kits. This is disposable pipettes. This is disposable applicator to mix the sample and reagent. You can see this is the antigen delivery dropper. These are the overall content present inside. Thank you.